Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with the Truckerized tune-up report for Cledus in North Dakota on this Ranger RCI 69 base. Cledus got it ready to go for you, bud. Truckerized package is basically loads this sucker out. Did a power supply upgrade, voltage regulator upgrade, tune alignment, wideband transmit, wideband receive, LEDs in the meters, you name it, we did it. Did quite a few audio mods as well. So let's just get right to it here. I'll turn the RF power all the way down. Wasn't even ready. Got the mic hooked up now. 50 watt slug, 1 watt just in case you decide to run an amp. You got full adjustability, and there's about 10 or 11 watts all the way up. Now I'm going to show you average power swing. Low, 45 bird, 100 watt slug in PEP. Hello, 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Hello, 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 hello. Lays a 100 watt slug over in the corner. We got you a static 636 mic to go as well, and going to get this right out to you, Cledus, from your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump bump.